You remember, things look three-dimensional on the physical material plane because, we have up-down to take into consideration. But on a two-dimensional surface, up-down is not taken into consideration, it's just front-back. So we convert this transparency on a three-dimensional surface to a two-dimensional canvas, and you have to understand the color and shades because this transparency has to appear transparent on the canvas simultaneously.
To clear up a number of misconception, misperception, misapprehension, misconstrue ideas primarily neurotypical individuals have, or their perceptions of atypical individuals. When we say atypical, we refer to individuals who fall outside the spectrum of neurotypicals. That include mental disorder, spectrum disorders, chronic disorders. It includes high functioning autism, Asperger's syndrome, borderline savants, weirdos, geeks, nerds, quirky individuals, eccentric individuals, and just individuals who fall outside the spectrum of what our proverbial